I get asked this all the time, Novella, what products do you actually use on your children's hair? Today, I'm sharing my favorite products, particularly the ones I use to help me keep my children's hair moisturized. Just the ones that are genuinely working for my little one's hair and why I love them. I have 4 children and they all have different hair types. So everything I'm sharing works for all hair types. Now, before I get into it, I just want to be clear about something. This is my disclaimer. None of these products grow hair. Hair grows from the scalp. Now, that's a whole another conversation for another day. What these products do is help your little one retain the length that is already growing by keeping their hair soft, smooth, and conditioned and less prone to breakage. All right, let's talk leave-ins. Leave-ins are what I like to call the primer for hair. Matrix Miracle Creator leave-in. What I love about it is that it's a leave-in and it's also a heat protectant. 2-in-1. So I only use it currently when I'm blow drying my children's hair. It is lightweight, it is not greasy, and it's honestly one of the best leave-in conditioners I've used for blow drying my children's hair. Knowing which products to use is one thing, but knowing how to use them in the right order, that's where real results come from. That's exactly what I teach in my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. And the doors are open today. I only like to take a small number of mums just so that everyone gets the right support. The link is in the description and in the comments. Grab your seat now. Now, the next one is Oyin Hairdo Leave-In. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know that I've been using the Oyin Hairdo Leave-In for some years now. Now, I've used this on all of my children's hair at different stages in their hair journey. And that's because it's so good. It works on all of their hair. It even works on my locks and it worked on my loose natural hair. It conditions, it softens and smooths the hair beautifully. It is definitely a staple for my family. I use this leave-in conditioner on freshly washed hair and also on blowouts. They work amazing for both. The next one, Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In. This is another one that I've been using for years. And I love this one particularly on wash day, on wet hair in the shower. That's how I prefer to use it. I don't like using it when I'm re-moisturizing, but on wet hair, freshly washed hair, it is chef's kiss. It smooths the hair, it conditions the hair, it softens the hair and keeps the strands separated, which is especially important for my eldest daughter's hair, whose hair is more tangle prone and likes to mesh together. And it smells really good. I mean, the Oyin Hairdo smells really good as well. And this Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In, this also smells really nice. It just preps my children's hair so nicely for styling on wash day. That's my leave-ins. Now let's move on to creams. So just for your information, I pair my creams and leave-in conditioners with grease. So after I've used my leave-ins, my creams, I then follow up with grease or a butter, and their hair stays moisturized for the whole week. I'm not even joking. All right, so the first one is the Care Overnight Moisturizing Treatment. Now this one I have to talk about. I only started using it recently, actually, for my eldest daughter, and I'm genuinely surprised. It's actually a really nice cream. Now, I came across it mistakenly. I was watching a TikTok video and a lady mentioned how much she loved it and how softening, smoothing, conditioning, all that good stuff it was for her hair. So I looked at the ingredients, I looked at the directions, and I thought, this sounds really good. And it reminds me of the Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic Cream. Now, again, if you've been riding with me for a while, you know that I absolutely loved this cream. But then they decided to discontinue it. I don't even want to talk about that because I'm still heartbroken. But this cream honestly reminds me of that. And they're both oil-based. So I thought, why not? Let me just try it and see how my daughter's hair responds to it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Her hair doesn't like it and I move on. But I tried it and I was pleasantly surprised. So the directions say to use at nighttime. So moisturize as usual and then cover your little one's hair or your hair with a satin bonnet or satin scarf. So I did that. And in the morning, I used it on freshly washed hair, by the way. And in the morning, my daughter's hair felt so soft. It felt smooth, it felt soft, it looked shiny. I was just really impressed. And a couple of days after, her hair still felt really, really nice. And with this, even though the name says an overnight treatment, it's not like a deep conditioner or anything. You're supposed to keep it in the hair. You're not supposed to rinse it out. For me, I tend to re-moisturize or moisturize my children's hair in the evening. So the directions was pretty much spot on for what I usually do anyway. Now what I love about this one is that it is light, so it's not heavy. The hair didn't feel like it was weighed down. It didn't feel like it would build up easily. Now, in comparison to the Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic, with that one, there's a bit of a learning curve. Like, you really have to work it into the hair. Now, with this one, it just melts into the hair so easily. There's no learning curve. You don't have to work it in so much. And then in the morning, the results are there. It spreads and absorbs beautifully. No heavy feeling. It's not greasy at all, despite it being oil-based. And also despite me using grease, because I used that and then I used grease afterwards. And it was just it was a perfect match. Now, mamas, before you judge this one by the price, like I did, please don't, because I almost did and almost missed out. The ingredients are so simple, but it's really good. It just softens, it smooths the hair, it smooths flyaways, and it also defines. And it's only £1.99. £1.99. I tried it on my children's hair and it actually worked. It actually worked. I love it for moisturizing, so as part of the LCO method, or for styling. So if I'm doing like a sleek ponytail or sleek puffs, especially for my youngest one, it works really well in terms of a styler for her. And for my other children, I just use it for moisturizing, doing the LCO method. This is another one that I like and enjoy using. So this one makes their hair feel soft, defined, frizz-free, and a little goes a long way. Oh, and also if you live in a humid environment or you're visiting somewhere where it's quite humid, this one is a great one for that humidity. Now, let's talk about the African Pride Baobab and Coconut Oil Leave-In Cream. Now, this one, I've also been using it for some time. It is super lightweight, but also really softening and conditioning, and it also defines the hair quite nicely. If you've ever used a water gel-based cream or moisturizer on your face, this reminds me of it, particularly the Neutrogena water gel cream, I believe it's called. It reminds me of that so much. It's very lightweight, but still it does the job. It gives a really nice slip. I don't use it to detangle, but as you're working through the hair, you're able to work through the hair easily. It does contain silicones, and that's why it gives the hair that smoothness and slip. And for my 3 girls, this cream works beautifully. I've recently started using it for my youngest, and their hair already loves it. Now, if you've been watching my youngest moisturizing videos that I've posted, you will notice that I love using the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. Now, I'm not going to be speaking about that particular cream in this video, not because I don't like it, but I don't use it anymore. I have moved her onto this African Pride leave-in cream. This works just as well as the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. I'm just trying to minimize the products I have. By the way, all of these products I'm mentioning in this video today, the products are all cost effective. They're not expensive. Well, in my opinion, before anyone tries to come for me, they're not expensive. They are reasonably priced, and you get a good amount in the tub. All right, so the next one is the Tilia Wajid Elixir. Now for this one, I use it on my son, who is 8, my eldest daughter, who is 9, and then my other daughter, who is 5. Now for all of them, it works really nicely on their hair. What I love about this cream, just as much as the others, is that it is softening, it smooths the hair, it smooths flyaways. It's great for frizzy hair as well. This particular one is great for moisturizing using the LCO method, for example, and it's also great for styling. So if you want to do like a twist out or braid out, this works really well for the braid outs or twist out. So it can be used as a styler as well, depending on how you want to use it for your little one's hair. Yeah, the hair just feels really good. So this is another one that I enjoy using. So the next one is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Avocado Curl Defining Cream. Now this one, mamas, I love the smell of this one. It smells like apple sweets. I really love the smell of it. It smells really good. You see me feature this particular product in my YouTube videos a couple of times when I'm moisturizing my children's hair. It's a really nice one. It softens, it conditions, it smooths. Particularly if your little one has frizzy hair. My 5-year-old's hair is quite frizzy, and this really smooths her frizz nicely. It makes their hair feel soft. I really like it. I particularly use this one for my 5-year-old. It does work for my eldest daughter who is 9, but I mostly use this for my 5-year-old, and it works amazing on her. Her hair absolutely loves this. My other children, I haven't tried it on my youngest. I've tried it on my son. His hair likes it. The consistency of this is thicker than the African Pride one. It's thicker, but it's not heavy, if that makes sense. But it softens the hair, it makes the hair feel smooth, it makes the hair just feel really good. I really love this. I use it to moisturize using the LCO method. It keeps their hair moisturized for the whole week. It's really good. And a little goes a long way with this. With all the products I'm going to speak about, a little goes a long way. And you get a nice big tub. You also get a nice big tub for the African Pride cream. The only one that isn't as generous is the Kerry Care one, which is a little bit smaller. But yeah, everything else is quite a generous size. Okay, so now let's move on to the sealants. So grease and butters, because this is what locks in all of that moisture, not permanently, but temporarily. Okay, so the Wonder Grow Indian Hemp Grease. Now, you know, this one is one that I really enjoy using. I've been using it for some time now and it has not disappointed. It's the Indian hemp one. It smells nice. I love the smell. I love the fact that it doesn't have like bits in it. I used to use a Dax one, and the Dax one used to get on my nerves because you find like twigs and little things. I don't know what they put in it, but it's just too many bits. With this one, it's smooth. It's not greasy. It's not too heavy either. It's just a really nice grease. I haven't actually used a grease like this before. It doesn't feel like I'm using a grease. It feels like I'm using more of a butter rather than grease. It's not greasy either, but it does give the hair a nice shine. I use this for all of my children. I've started using it on my youngest and her hair loves it too. Honestly, this is one of the best greases that I've used. I really like it. Because it's light, you can accidentally use too much. That's why I said a little goes a long way. You really don't need a lot. Just nice and smooth with a sprinkle of herbs. It comes in a big tub and it's also affordable. And the next one is Pink Oil Lotion. Again, another one that you know I love. I've spoken about it a couple of times on this channel and I've also used it in a couple of my videos. Now with this pink oil lotion, I love to use it on my children's hair when I blow dry. So on my 9 and 5-year-old, when I blow dry their hair, I use it after blow drying and it really just smooths their hair. It makes their hair feel good. It's not oily or greasy. A little goes a long way. I don't use too much, so it just gives the hair a nice shine. Whenever I use this, I always use a leave-in first. So this is a sealant for me. It's not, I don't use it as a moisturizer or anything like that. The next one is the Cumet Biologics Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. Now this one, if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you know that I loved the Inasi hair and body butter. This is the one that I used to use on my youngest. I've used it for my other children as well, but I was using it on my youngest before they decided to discontinue it in the UK. I told you mamas, I've been burnt too many times. I loved that butter. So I went on a hunt for something new and then I found this. This is like a really close match. I use this on my youngest hair and her hair absolutely loves it. It's such a great butter. It gives a nice shine. It's not heavy, it's not thick, it's not overly greasy. It's a smooth, soft butter that melts instantly in your palms. Smells nice as well. Now let's talk about what I use when my children's hair is in a long-term protective style. I use a leave-in conditioner spray, and these sprays also work great for my locks too. You still need to keep it conditioned and moisturized even though it's in a protective style. So these are my two favorites. So I like to use the Tilia Wajid Intense Moisture and Strengthening Leave-In Spray and also the Tilia Wajid Protective Mist Bodify. These two leave-ins, I really like them and they're by the same brand. The reason why I like these two leave-in sprays, it's not just a water and oil spray, it actually has conditioning ingredients in there, so it helps keep their protective styles soft, conditioned, smooth as well, and that's really important when I'm looking for a leave-in conditioner spray. They're also both lightweight, so there's no build-up. Honestly, these two are really good for keeping the hair conditioned in protective styles. But knowing how to use them properly, the right way and consistently, this is what actually will transform your little one's hair. And that is exactly what I teach in my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. In just 5 days, I'll walk you through building a moisture routine for your little one that actually works. So you stop guessing, stop wasting money on products that don't work together, and finally start seeing real results. Doors are open right now. I only take a small number of moms, so spaces will go fast. The link is in the description box. Grab your seat now, mama. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what your favorite moisturizing products are for your little one. Have you tried any of the ones I've mentioned? Do you like any of them? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.